Hello, welcome back to How About That Crypto. You're watching your daily crypto news and updates with your host, Bitcoin Stylist on Twitter and Bitcoin Hairstylist on Instagram. I am here Monday through Friday, and I explain crypto and Web3 while keeping you up to date on all the latest. Today's news stories are: Gucci now accepts crypto in their stores. California makes moves to go crypto, and Panama passed laws making crypto mainstream. What does all this mean? Not to worry, I'll explain it all. But first, if you like or don't like the content, please let me know by leaving a comment below. If you're listening on podcast, please give me 5 stars and follow me. If you're watching on YouTube, please smash the subscribe button, ring the bell. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. Just to be clear and litigious, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. You can use the links below to do your own research. As you can see, I'm not in my studio today, but I am here reporting the news for you. Okay, yes, the markets are tanking, so let's take your mind off of it. I have some exciting news to share with you. Let's dive right in. Let's do this. All right. All right, hold on one second. Dun, dun, dun. All right, there we go. Let's see here. Bam. Okay. All right. If you're listening on podcast, you can just use the links in the description below to check all this stuff out, what I'm going over, or you can just follow along. Okay. So here we are. Author Megan McDowell reports for Vogue Business, Gucci to accept crypto and leap for luxury industry. The pilot, which will star in 5 stores later this month, is a significant step toward Gucci blending its Web3 and physical communities. That's right. Gucci is going to start accepting crypto at their stores. They'll start with 5, but plan to increase it throughout all of their stores, primarily in North America, probably not in China though, because since it's not legal to use crypto. Oh, wait, real quick. Did you all see House of Gucci? It was so good, wasn't it? Lady Gaga, she's so good. You think she likes crypto? I'll have to find out. So anyway, the Gucci family does not own Gucci, but whoever does, they do a great job staying relevant. Here goes another move to stay relevant. Let me read you something from here. Let's see here. All right, in-store crypto payments will be made with a link to send. Sorry, here we go. Right here. In-store crypto payments will be made with a link sent via email to the customer. The link contains a QR code that allows them to execute the payment from their crypto wallet. The first Gucci stores to take crypto are Wooster Street in New York, Rodeo Drive in Los Angeles, Miami Design District, Phipps Plaza in Atlanta, and the shops at Crystals in Las Vegas. Gucci will accept payments in more than 10 current currencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Wrapped Bitcoin, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, and 5 stablecoins pegged to the US dollar. It will also accept Dogecoin. I think that's so funny. Crypto payments are usually accepted in physical spaces through a QR code or NFC reader on an existing point of sale terminal that connects with a customer's smartphone cryptocurrency app, similar to mobile credit card apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay. A retailer can automatically convert the payment to fiat currency such as dollars, or keep the payments in the form of cryptocurrency. All right. So what do you think about all that? I mean, basically, they're just making it so you can use crypto. So all those people that were early adopters and made a ton of money, they don't have to sell their crypto. They can just go straight into buying goods with it, so they can avoid the transaction charge to switch it into fiat and then deal with getting it out of their bank account. They can go right into the store and pay. And just so you know, this is not tax advice, but I'm pretty sure that's a taxable event. You should probably talk to your attorney about that. So, all right, we have seen more and more brands test the blockchain tech out. Specifically, we have seen it with NFTs. As I mentioned in the past, an NFT is a receipt. This receipt verifies ownership and authenticity of the underlying asset. For example, you buy a Gucci bag and you get an NFT sent to your wallet to prove that you own this bag. It also proves it is authentic. Well, how do you prove something's authentic from some digital receipt to a physical good? Well, there would probably be some sort of code or scan to prove the bag matches the receipt of the NFT. Gucci was the first luxury brand to release an NFT, and they have more projects on the horizon. Check this out. This little excerpt is offering in-store payments via cryptocurrency requires some upskilling for in-store associates, especially as NFT collectors come to expect special perks of ownership, including access to specific products, drops, or access to specific spaces. So basically they're saying they got to train their staff and how to deal with this. And also they're going to have to deal with the fact that by selling these NFTs, people are going to expect VIP treatment. To that end, Gucci parent company Kering has this week introduced an in-house game developed in collaboration with creative agency Al Dente that educates employees on NFTs and Web3 already. The number of employees have signed up have exceeded expectations. So basically they're like, oh, we need to do this thing where we educate the staff. Oh, well, we're going to work with this company, and they have like an in-house game. So I guess like a way to help people learn and figure out how to use this stuff and how to check people out, etc. And a ton of employees are interested. That is so cool. What are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited about Gucci offering this, or do you not care? I think it's pretty dope. It's a huge sign for adoption. So what do you think? Leave a comment below, and moving on. This is interesting. I bet you all know who that is. Government Newsom. Author Paul Vigna reports for the Wall Street Journal, California Governor Newsom issues executive order for crypto business rules. California is one of the first states to begin creating a comprehensive regulatory framework for crypto and blockchain technology. Goal is to foster innovation and protect consumers. Basically, California recognizes there is a lot of money being invested and tons of job creation. Well, duh. And check this out. I'm going to go down to the last two paragraphs here. The crypto industry remains a hotspot for venture capital. Even with the capital markets under stress, like the markets suck, cryptocurrency prices themselves are down sharply. Startups in the industry raised $9.2 billion with 461 equity deals globally in the first quarter, according to CB Insights. At the same time, total venture funding fell 19% in the quarter. So the money is chasing crypto. Hopefully that lasts. Oh my gosh, this crypto market is killing me. But I did buy the dip, just so everyone knows. The desire to keep as much of that activity as possible in California seems to be a focus of the executive order. It outlines several specific goals, to first of which is to create a transparent, consistent environment for crypto and blockchain companies. The easier the information, or sorry, the easier it is and more clear it is to follow rules. Like, companies and wealthy people will not get involved unless the government gives it the green light. So this is a huge bullish sign. What do you think? Do you live in California? Do you have any other information? Do you think this is a bunch of BS? Please leave a comment below. I'd like to hear from you. And moving on, last and maybe more exciting article story of the day, author Sabina Topa reports for The Street. Panama passes regulation approving cryptocurrencies. Citizens will be able to use crypto to pay taxes, among other benefits. So I want to read you a few paragraphs from here. On Thursday, the Central American country of Panama, this is last Thursday. Yeah, something like that. Not yesterday. On Thursday. So recently, the Central American country of Panama passed a far-reaching bill in the National Assembly to regulate crypto assets. The bill will promote the use of cryptocurrency for both public and private use. According to the text of the bill, the law regulates the trading and use of crypto assets, the issuance of digital value, tokenization of precious metals and other assets, payment systems, and other provisions. The bill also legally recognizes DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations. By the way, everyone needs to remember DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. Just remember it, and remember, you heard it here first, unless you've already heard of it. But if not, I'm telling you, pay attention. That is going to be a big part of the future. So is this tokenization of metals and other assets. I think everything will be tokenized. Okay, that means that there will be one cryptocurrency representing basically like everything will be denominated in some form of crypto. That's what I think. Anyways, so basically this is a pretty comprehensive bill, and it looks like it's making crypto legit. I mean, this sounds to me like it's huge. Panama currently relies on the US dollar as its main currency, just like El Salvador. So maybe this is not that big of a surprise. According to a national, think about it. If you rely on the dollar, but if you rely on the dollar in your country, or sorry, if you are not in America, if you're not in the US and you rely on the dollar, and the US is turned on the printing press 2.5x the money supply in the last few years, and now all of a sudden it's like one in like $3 or $4 or something like that is new. I don't know, something insane. So like you're losing purchasing power with your dollars, but if you're in America, that benefits you because you got a stimulus check, there are PPP loans, kept businesses open, got masks and vaccines and stuff. But meanwhile, you're sitting in these other countries and you're getting the brunt end of the stick. You're getting the shaft big time by America. So anyway, according to a National Assembly member, they believe this will make Panama a tech hub in Latin America and create a ton of jobs and help with financial inclusion. This law will enable taxes to be paid in crypto and other things. And then here's the last two paragraphs. I want to read this to you. The law would also ensure there are no capital gains taxes on crypto. Who's moving to Panama? Maybe we'll open up a salon down there. Who wants to go? This will be which will be treated as foreign source income. So I don't know if there's taxes on foreign source income, but there will be no capital gains tax. The bill is also noteworthy for attempting to improve the transparency of the state by using blockchain tech to make the state functions more public and easier to publicly track. That's what we need everywhere in the world. I would love to see that in America. It remains to be seen how this will be implemented. And critics say this will make tax evasion even easier. Hashtag Panama Papers, right? So what do you think about this? I think this is awesome for adoption. And I think that everything's moving the same right way. So like while you're now you can, I'm glad you took a little break from licking your wounds from these market situation. I think it's going to get worse. So, stick with it. You got this. Diamond hands, like the little man on the bull to the moon. Right now, I don't know. It's not getting a lot of gas to get off the ground, but like, I'm still confident. Are you confident? Are you selling? Tell me what you're holding, what you're getting rid of. I'd like to hear from you, and have a good weekend. Hodl on.